Hello everyone. In last video we have seen without formula sum. Today we are going to learn a formula of 9. If here 1, 2, 3 or 4 are there, how we can add 9? For that one formula is there. 9 is equal to minus 1 plus 10. Now we are going to learn few sum related to this formula. If here addition or subtraction sign is not there, it means it is plus. 1 plus 9 means minus 1 plus 10. Again plus 9. So answer is 19. Clear the abacus. 3 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, again 9 minus 1 plus 10, so answer is 21. Clear the abacus. 2 plus 9 plus 9, so answer is 2020. On one's place nothing is there means it's 0. 7 plus 9 plus 9, so answer is 25. We know that upper bit's value is 5. Clear the abacus. 6 plus 1 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, so answer is 16. Clear the abacus. 5 plus 1 plus 9, so answer is 1515. 4 plus 9 plus 9, so answer is 22. Use proper thumb and finger for fast calculations. 1 plus 6 plus 29. Whenever two digits are there, we have to split the number like 20 plus 9. So 20, and for 9 we use formula minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 36. Clear the abacus. 2 plus 6 plus 19 means plus 10, and for 9 we use formula, so answer is 27. 3 plus 19 10 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, again plus 9 minus 1 plus 10, so answer is 31. If this video is informative and useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.